Welcome back to Marvin's Expression Drawing Tutorial Part 3. A drawing tutorial that is narrated by the guy with the most exciting voice in the history of ever. I want to talk about the different types of strokes that I use. The most common is the taper stroke. It's a sweeping motion. You sweep in, draw a line, and sweep out all in one continuous motion. This leaves a gradient on both edges while leaving the middle bold and dark. Just imagine that your pencil is an airplane coming in for a landing. It swoops in, makes contact with the ground. Then the pilot thinks, "Wait, I shouldn't be landing? I'm too drunk to land this thing." Then pulls up and flies away. Now apply that same concept to paper. Just a lot of sweeping strokes side by side, and when you need to darken it, simply start layering them on top of each other. This gives you an extremely smooth gradient. For large areas of one solid color that doesn't have a lot of light difference, I use a circular stroke. This is the same method tattoo artists use for traditional work. You draw little circles compacted side by side, and when you reach the end, you move about half a circle up and do another line of compacted circles. Circles on top of circles will darken the previous line. It's just like building a pyramid. No, I don't mean that I condone slavery because it gets stuff done. I mean, instead of bricks, it's little circles. And the more you have on top of each other, the darker it is. In case you haven't noticed by now, but it's a lot of layering. I lay down a base color and then constantly add on. A base color is a similar color that the entire area shares. Like how I was lightly shading the blue in the eye everywhere before adding darker blues and purple. And for the lighter parts of the blue in the eye, instead of using a very light blue, I softly used a blue color pencil and then shaded white over top of it to smooth out and lighten the area. If you enjoyed this video and found what I have taught you to be knowledgeable, then please support my Kickstarter project to switch into tattooing starting October 24th. I will be giving away artwork and prints to contributors. So, on the 24th, you should head over to Kickstarter, where you'll be supporting a good cause and getting free stuff in the process.